Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting our JavaScript series. In this series, we will learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced level, step by step. If you are completely new to JavaScript, don't worry. I will explain everything in simple with practical examples. Before writing code, let's first understand what JavaScript is, why we use it, and a little bit about its history. So let's get started. Let's understand what is JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language. It is mainly used to make websites interactive and dynamic. For example, when you click a button and something happens, when a menu opens, when a pop-up appears, or when a form shows an error message, JavaScript can handle these actions. So, in simple words, JavaScript adds behavior and interaction to a website. See, think about a website like a house. HTML creates the structure. CSS make the house look good. Design and style the web page. JavaScript make the things happen. So remember, HTML is structure, CSS is design, and JavaScript is behavior. Why JavaScript was created? In the early days of the web, many websites were mostly static. User could read information, but there was limited interaction. Developers wanted web pages to respond when user clicked, typed, or interacted with the page. For example, clicking button, validate a form, or changing something on the page. JavaScript was created to bring this kind of interaction to web pages. Now, here's very common beginner question. Is JavaScript the same as Java? Answer is no. Java and JavaScript are two completely different programming languages. Java, a programming language commonly used for application and enterprise software, and JavaScript, a programming language widely used for web development and interactive applications. Their names are similar, but they are not the same. So don't confuse them. JavaScript and Java are different languages. Now you will hear one more important word while learning JavaScript, ECMAScript. ECMAScript is the standard of specification that define how the JavaScript language should work. You can think of ECMAScript as a set of rules and standard for the language. JavaScript follow the ECMAScript standard. You don't need to go deep in ECMAScript right now. Just remember ECMAScript is standard behind JavaScript. Now let's talk about JavaScript version. JavaScript has changed and improved over time. One of the most important update was ES6, also called ECMAScript 2015. ES6 is introduced many features that we use in modern JavaScript. Late, const, arrow function, template literal, destructuring. Don't worry if these terms are new to you, we will learn them one by one during this series. Now, let's see where JavaScript is used today. JavaScript is not only used for small website interactions, Today, JavaScript is used to build complete web application. On the front end, JavaScript is used to create interactive websites. For backend development, we can use JavaScript with Node.js. JavaScript is also used with libraries and frameworks like React. That's why JavaScript is one of the most important language for modern websites. If your goal is to learn React, JavaScript is very important. React is a JavaScript library. So before learning React, we should understand JavaScript properly. In this series, we will first build a strong JavaScript foundation. Then we can move to React. Okay, enough theory. Now let's write our first JavaScript code. Open VS Code. I have already created a folder called JavaScript. Inside it, I have created two files, index.html and scripts.js. My first JavaScript program. We have a heading that says my first JavaScript program, and at the bottom, we are connecting JavaScript file using the script tag, script src script.js. The src attribute tells the browser where our JavaScript file is located. Our JavaScript file is called script.js. Now let's open our script.js file and let's write our first JavaScript statement. Console.log hello JavaScript. Now save and open with live server. My first JavaScript program. Now right click and inspect console. Hello JavaScript. You have just written and executed your first JavaScript program. Let's try few more examples. Here I am writing console.log welcome to JavaScript. I am learning JavaScript. Semicolon. Console.log 10 plus 20. Now let's check the console. The first two examples are text and the last one is calculation. JavaScript calculates 10 plus 20 and gives us 30. Now it's your turn. Create an HTML file and JavaScript file. Connect the JavaScript file with your HTML file. Then use console.log to print your name, your age, and one simple calculation. Try it yourself. Today we learned what JavaScript is, why we use it, and we also wrote our first JavaScript program. And remember, if you are a complete beginner, don't worry if everything doesn't make sense. in the first lesson. Learning to code takes practice, so take your time and learn step by step. If you have any doubt or if something is not clear, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. I will try my best to help you. If this lesson helped you, like the video, share it with a friend who is learning JavaScript and subscribe to Code with Khan Developer. And don't forget to practice today's task. So keep learning, keep practicing, and I will see you in next video.